Welcome back to my channel. Today's video topic is why having good gut health is the most important aspect for your overall health and the role of probiotics in supporting your gut health maintenance. Are you aware that your gut plays a crucial role in your overall well-being? We will explore the connection between gut health and digestion, immune function, mental health, and more. In this video, we will also discuss about some probiotic-rich foods and will share tips for improving digestion and nurturing a healthy gut microbiome. Hi, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, do subscribe to the channel and smash that bell button to get notification in your inbox, okay? Now, let's get started. First, let's understand what exactly the gut microbiome is. The gut microbiome refers to the trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms that reside in our digestive tract. It's like a bustling ecosystem. Maintaining a balanced and diverse gut microbiome is essential for optimal health. However, factors such as antibiotics, poor diet, stress, and lack of sleep can disrupt this delicate balance. Now, let us understand the variety of benefits and significance of having a healthy gut. A healthy gut has numerous benefits for our well-being. Firstly, it plays a vital role in digestion and nutrient absorption. When our gut is functioning optimally, it helps break down food and absorb essential nutrients efficiently. Secondly, the gut is closely linked to our immune system. A healthy gut microbiome strengthens our immune response, protecting us from infections and illnesses. Lastly, research has shown a strong gut-brain connection. A healthy gut promotes mental well-being and can reduce the risk of conditions like anxiety and depression. Now, let's talk about probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut. These friendly microorganisms help restore and maintain a balanced gut microbiome. They come in various strains, each with its unique benefits. Some strains aid in digestion, while others enhance immune function or reduce inflammation. Incorporating probiotics into our diet can be incredibly beneficial for overall health. There are several probiotic-rich foods that we can easily include in our diet. Plain yogurt is one of the common food we can easily integrate as part of day-to-day food. Kefir, fermented milk drink, sauerkraut, fermented raw cabbage, kimchi, kombucha, and tempeh are some excellent examples. These foods contain live and active cultures of beneficial bacteria. For instance, yogurt and kefir often contain strains like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. These probiotics have been linked to improved digestion and immune function. Including these foods in our diet can be a delicious way to nourish our gut microbiome. Improving digestion and nurturing a healthy gut microbiome involves more than just probiotics. We can take additional steps to support our gut health. Firstly, it's important to consume fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These fibers act as prebiotics, providing nourishment for the probiotics in our gut. Staying hydrated is also crucial for digestion. Drinking enough water helps keep our digestive system running smoothly. Additionally, avoiding processed foods and incorporating regular exercise into our routine can promote better digestion and a healthier gut. While probiotic-rich foods are a great way to support gut health, some individuals may consider probiotic supplements. When choosing a probiotic supplement, it's essential to consider factors like specific strains, CFU count, colony-forming units, and shelf stability. One such probiotic supplement that is recommended here is Element's Wellness Probiotic G+. Just in case you need more information on this product or if you want to buy the product at the special offered price, please connect to me through WhatsApp. Understanding the importance of gut health and probiotics can truly transform our overall well-being. Remember, a healthy gut contributes to better digestion, a strengthened immune system, and even mental well-being. By incorporating probiotic-rich foods, making smart dietary choices, and adopting a gut-friendly lifestyle, we can nurture our gut microbiome and reap the benefits. If you are looking for earning some money online, watch my free webinar, the link for which in the description box below. If you are a network marketer and would like to take it online and automate your recruiting process and to learn to earn multiple streams of income, please watch free webinar on this by clicking on the link in the description box. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with your contacts, and share what you liked the best in the video in the comment box. Remember to unsubscribe to this channel for more health and wellness content. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video. Take care till then.